Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're gonna look at the buttons on the Baby Lock Altair and Baby Lock Altair 2. Down here at the machine, the first button that you'll notice is the Start-Stop button. And right now it's green because it means it's ready to sew. If it's red, there's something wrong and you're not gonna be able to sew on your machine or do embroidery. The next button that you're gonna see is the back stitch or the reverse key. It will have your machine take a few stitches back, and you can press it and it will go a few stitches back and then continue forward, or you can hold it in to keep going backwards. The next one is the reinforcement key, and this is just going to take a couple little stitches right close together that will hold your stitching right there. The next button is the needle up down option, and it can either be needle up down, or there are 3 stops that you can have with your needle. So if you press it, it will go part way down. Press it again, it goes all the way down, and press it again and it comes up. The next button is the cut button, which is a fantastic button, and it's probably one of the reasons you bought this Altair. When you press that button, it's going to cut your thread and have it ready to sew the next time. Okay. It also moves your foot down as it needs to and cuts those threads. The next button that you'll see is this one here. It is your foot up and down button. So press it and it will lower your foot. Press it again and it will raise the foot. The next button isn't a button at all. It's a slide. And with this, you're able to adjust the speed of your machine. So maybe you're going around some curves, or you're teaching a new sewer and you need to slow it down. Or maybe you're ready to go on a jelly roll race and you want to go all the way full speed. You're ready to go just by sliding that button. And the next button is probably your absolute favorite, because this is the one that does all of that threading all by itself. Just touch this button and the machine will thread itself. And that's all the buttons on the front of the machine.